Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make omelet toast. First, crack 2 eggs into a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of milk. Whisk them together until well combined, then season with a pinch of salt and pepper. This simple mixture forms the base of our delicious omelet toast. Make sure your ingredients are fresh for the best flavor. Next, place a non-stick pan on medium-low heat and add a small amount of butter or oil. Take 1 slice of bread and gently dip it into the egg mixture, ensuring both sides are fully coated. Repeat with the second slice. The goal is to get a good egg coating without letting the bread soak up too much liquid, which could make it fall apart. Now, carefully place the egg-coated bread into your heated pan. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it turns a beautiful golden brown and the egg is fully set. Use a spatula to gently flip the toast, ensuring it cooks evenly. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect fluffy omelet texture combined with crispy toast. Once both sides are golden and cooked through, remove your delicious omelet toast from the pan. You can serve it plain or add your favorite toppings, like a sprinkle of cheese, fresh herbs, or a dash of hot sauce. It's a quick, satisfying meal perfect for any time of day. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade omelet toast.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.